We'll wait for a couple of more minutes for people to join. I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity's Sunday Live. So today it is going to be very interesting sarees in affordable price range. The range is going to be somewhere between 5,000 and it goes up to 7,000 maximum. So people who would like to buy these sarees, there will be a link that will be present in the description. Please click on the link to look at all the sarees that we showcase in the video. You can also log on to www.shoeseternity. Under Silk Room, you'll find a tab called Soft Silk. Please click on the tab to look at all the soft silk sarees that we have in store. So it's going to be exclusive, budget-friendly soft silk sarees in today's video. Very pretty designs, very simple yet elegant sarees. So I am wearing one of them. It's a beautiful purple with mustard combination. So it's got not much of jari, but very elegant color combination. It's a nice purple with mustard. Plain mustard borders on either side of the saree. The body is plain. That's going to be the pallu. It's a simple short pallu with jari woven patterns, and this comes with a contrast mustard color blouse. So this saree is priced at 5680 and we've got beautiful colors in the same pattern. So let's get started.
Saree number 1 priced at 5980, 5,980. Saree number 1.
This is a beautiful soft silk with raw finish. It's a Dupian soft silk. This is a beautiful peacock blue with very pretty borders on either sides of the saree. The upper portion of the saree has a smaller border. The lower half of the saree has a bigger border. The body is left plain. It's got that raw finish and a fully jari woven pallu and a plain blouse.
Yes, saree number 1 priced at 5,980, 5980.
Next we have a black in the same design. I'll be showing you two more colors in the same design.
Saree number 2 priced at 5,980, 5980.
Beautiful gold color borders on either side, the dull gold borders on either sides. Body is left plain. The lower half of the saree has a bigger jari border and a beautiful jari woven pallu with a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 2 priced at 5,980. Moving on to saree number 3 priced at 5,980.
A beautiful orange in the same design, gold borders on either sides. The whole of the body has a Dupian finish in it. The upper portion of the saree has a smaller border, the lower half of the saree has a bigger border. A beautiful jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, saree number 3 priced at 5,980.
Next we have a beautiful green in the same design.
Saree number 4 priced at 5,980.
Very pretty color. So you can match it with a similar blouse is what I am wearing. Something in mustard will look very pretty with this saree. It's a beautiful green with a dull gold jari border on either sides, a woven jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 4 priced at 5,980.
Next we have a very pretty Rani pink.
Yeah, this is saree number 5 priced at 5,980. So this is the last color in the same concept. Saree number 5 priced at 5,980.
Beautiful dull gold jari border on either sides of the saree. Very pretty woven pallu and a plain blouse.
Saree number 5 priced at 5,980.
Next we have a beautiful Dupian finish in soft silk with Ganga Jamuna borders.
This is saree number 6. This is a new concept. Saree number 6 priced at 5,980.
Very pretty green color border in the upper portion. The whole of the body is left plain in mustard and a blue color border in the lower half of the saree. A beautiful pallu and a plain blue color blouse. Very pretty color combination in this pattern.
Yeah, saree number 6 priced at 5,980. Moving on to saree number 7. Priced at 5,980. 5,980, saree number 7.
Beige with violet and pink. An excellent color combination. Very pretty saree. So that's going to be the whole body. So both the sides of the saree have violet and pink color borders along with jari in it. A plain beige colored body. A pink pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 7 priced at 5,980. 5,980.
Next we have a checkered pallu, checkered blouse concept.
Saree number 8 priced at 5,780.
This is again Dupian finish on soft silk. It's a dark navy blue with gold jari border on either side of the saree. A beautiful thread woven checkered pallu and a palum paramum checkered blouse with buttas in it.
Yeah, this is saree number 8 priced at 5,780.
Next we have a cream body with palum paramum checkered thread woven pallu and a palum paramum checkered blouse with buttas in it. This is a very classy saree. It's got a self stripe pattern in it.
This is saree number 9 priced at 5,780.
A beige with gold borders. Very pretty palum paramum checkered pattern with thread woven buttas in it and a checkered blouse with buttas. Very classy saree. You can match it with the same mustard blouse or something in red also will look very pretty. And this blouse also will look beautiful for the saree.
Yeah, this is saree number 9 priced at 5,780. Moving on to saree number 10. This is a slightly different concept priced at 5,580.
So that's how the whole of the body flows. It's got a checkered body and both the sides of the saree have Ganga Jamuna borders and just above the borders you have gold jari border and it's got a completely contrast pallu. So all these checkered sarees come in beautiful colors. So this is a pure soft silk. It's a gold jari border on either side, a blue and an orange border, a checkered beige colored body and a beautiful pink colored pallu and a double shaded pink color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 10 priced at 5,580.
As I told you, we've got amazing colors in the same concept. Next we have a blue body with green and a brick orange border with the same double shaded pink colored pallu and blouse. Gold jari border on either sides. Very pretty green colored border and a brick orange double shaded border. The whole body has blue color checkered pattern, a double shaded pink colored pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 10 priced at 5,580. Moving on to saree number 11 priced at 5,580.
So this has got a checkered red color body. Upper portion has a double shaded purple and the lower half has a double shaded green and this comes with an excellent cream color pallu. Beautiful jari woven pallu. So that's going to be the whole body. A very different saree. Very elegant. A cream color pallu and a plain cream color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 12 priced at 5,580. Moving on to saree number 13 priced at 5,580.
So this is the last saree in this concept. This is a biscuit colored saree with a double shaded orange color top and a elachi green in the border. Gold borders on either side, a very classy color. So you usually get these colors in Tussar silks. Very pretty saree. Beautiful double shaded pink color pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 13 priced at 5,580.
Next I'll be showing you sarees similar to what I am wearing.
Yeah, starting with saree number 14 priced at 5,680.
Beautiful green with an onion pink. Very classy saree. Very simple but elegant sarees. Rama green with onion pink. A short onion pink color pallu with jari patterns and a plain blouse. So those of you who do not want much of jari, these are ideal for you.
Yeah, saree number 14 priced at 5,680. Up next is saree number 15 priced at 5,680.
This is an opposite combination of what I am wearing. This is a mustard body with purple borders. Beautiful colors in this pattern we've got. So all these are pure handloom soft silk sarees. That's going to be the body. A beautiful Jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 15, priced at 5,680.
Next we have a green, a nice double shaded green with pink combination.
Yeah, this is saree number 16, priced at 5,680. 5,680, saree number 16.
Beautiful color combination, a pink color Jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 16, priced at 5,680. Moving on to saree number 17, priced at 5,680. 5,680, saree number 17.
This is a cream with pink combination. It's a nice dark Rani pink. Very, very elegant saree. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful Jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 17, priced at 5,680. Moving on to saree number 18, priced at 5,680.
Very pretty Rama green combination. It's a lighter shade of pink. So that's going to be the whole body. Beautiful saree. A Jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 18, priced at 5,680. Moving on to saree number 19, priced at 5,680.
This is a dark blue with onion pink combination. Very classy saree. Very, very elegant colors. That's going to be the whole body. Beautiful dark blue with onion pink. A Jari pallu in onion pink and a plain onion pink color blouse.
Saree number 19, priced at 5,680. 5,680, saree number 19. Moving on to saree number 20, priced at 5,680.
This is a beautiful pink with mustard combination. Very pretty plain body with plain borders. Beautiful Jari pallu in mustard and a plain mustard color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 20, priced at 5,680.
Next we have a steel grey with pink combination.
Yeah, saree number 21, priced at 5,680.
So all these sarees are ideal for gifting purposes if you're planning to gift it for weddings. We have beautiful colors, very pretty combination, very, very good quality stuff. Pure soft silk with very less weight, Jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 21, priced at 5,680. Moving on to saree number 22. The last concept in the saree. Saree number 22, priced at 5,680.
This is a mustard with bottle green, very traditional color combination. Beautiful plain border. That's going to be the whole body. A Jari pallu in bottle green and a plain green color blouse.
Saree number 22, priced at 5,680. Up next is saree number 23. It's going to be a new concept. Saree number 23, priced at 5,980. 5,980.
So this has got a very nice pattern in the whole of the body. It's got a lighter version of tie and dye in the whole body. It's a borderless saree. It's a light onion pink. I hope you can see the patterns in the body. And a beautiful red color thread pallu and a plain red color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 23, priced at 5,980.
Very elegant, lightweight, soft silk sarees.
Moving on to saree number 24, priced at 5,980. 5,980.
Very pretty green in the same concept with thread pallu and a plain green color blouse. That's going to be the whole body. A thread pallu in Rama green and a plain Rama green color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 24, priced at 5,980.
Next we have a peach with a double shaded orangish pink shade.
Yeah, this is saree number 25, priced at 5,980.
That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful pink, double shaded pink color pallu and a double shaded pink color blouse.
Alright, so this is saree number 25, priced at 5980, 5980. Yeah, moving on to saree number 26, priced at 5980.
This is again a beautiful green with pink color pallu. A self pattern on the whole of the body. And a thread pallu with a plain rama green color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 26, priced at 5980. Okay, this is actually a different concept. Saree number 27, priced at 5980.
So very pretty grey with a double shaded orange. The whole body has Jari woven silver buttas, floral buttas in it. Very pretty color combination, a grey with a double shaded orange. Fully Jari woven pallu and a plain orange color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 27, priced at 5980.
Next we have our very own ikat silk sarees.
Saree number 28, priced at 8950.
Double walk ikat silk saree. So this is a green. With very pretty Ganga Jamuna borders. So the borders will remain the same in the next two sarees. Only the body color changes. It's got a double shaded green and a double shaded purple border with woven jaris in it. Beautifully woven Pochampalli pallu and a Pochampalli blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 28, priced at 8950, 8950. Moving on to saree number 29, a different color shade in the same pattern, priced at 8950.
So the body is going to be black, green and purple color borders on either sides with temple and woven jari borders, the beautiful Pochampalli pallu and a fully Pochampalli woven blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 29, priced at 8950. Moving on to saree number 30, priced at 8950, 8950, saree number 30.
Beautiful evergreen hit combination, a white with green and purple. Very pretty woven pallu and a fully woven blouse.
Yeah, saree number 30, priced at 8950. The last saree for the session, the deal of the day saree. Saree number 31, the actual price is 7950. We are giving it off 6950.
This is a borderless saree with full thread patterns in maroon. It's a black saree. It's a very, very unique and very subtle saree. Beautiful thread woven patterns all over the body. A very pretty black colored pallu with thread patterns in it and a plain blouse.
Saree number 31, priced at 6950.
So that is it for today's live. People who would like to buy these sarees, there will be a link that will be present in the description and the comment section. Please click on the link to buy these sarees that I showcased in today's video. You can also log on to www.shrewseternity.com under Silk Room. You'll find another tab called Soft Silk. Please click on the tab to look at all the sarees that we showcased. You can also log on to www.shrewseternity.com under Live Sarees. You'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to look at all the sarees that I showcased in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had an awesome session. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.